Mom, my head hurts.
I know, sweetie. Just rest.
Okay, Mom. My head hurts, Mommy.
I know, sweetie. Hold still for the thermometer. Oh, 102 of a high fever. She's running a fever, but the doctor said it's not serious.
Poor thing. What can we do?
Is Lily gonna be okay?
Easy now, Lily. I've got you.
Hold on, sweetie. We're right here.
Is she okay?
She will be.
Everything okay?
I think so. Are we almost there?
Something feels wrong.
We're almost there, Lily.
Stay strong, sweetie.
Is she gonna be okay?
She will. The doctors will help. Let's check your temperature, Lily.
Okay.
It's normal. You're doing great.
Oh, thank goodness.
Here you go, Lily. This will help you feel better.
Thank you.
That's it, sweetie. You're so brave.
Good job, Lily.
Mom, I feel better.
Oh, Lily, that's wonderful.
We're so happy, sweetie.